name's Michelle. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to make the surprise pop-up card, which is super cute, easy to mail, low postage. Gotta love that. So first of all, I would like to apologize for my voice. It's just a summer cold. I know it sounds a lot worse, but I really wanted to get this video done so you could put these together and send some to the people you love. So thanks so much for your patience, and let's go ahead and make this card. The first thing I like to do when making a new project is familiarize myself with the cuts. First thing we have is an envelope. Very simple to assemble, so I'm going to go ahead and set that one off to the side for just a moment. We also have the Celebrate, which is going to be layered onto the flag, and I will do that off camera. We have the flag pieces. We have the medium rectangle, which is in white, but you can put it in whatever color you want. Then we have the two flag pieces that go on the top. We have the sentiment panel, which goes on the back of the card. Now, this is purely optional, but, you know, it's always nice to write a little note. Hope you're having a good day. Love, Mom. That kind of thing. We have our strips here, which I have cut out of a pattern paper. These little strips will go on as, embellishment panels. Then we have the pop-up itself, which consists of three pieces. We have the base, which has a little tab here we're going to talk about in a moment. Then we have the center and the outside. I think it looks best if you choose to make it the same color, and then whatever, it would be gorgeous with a glitter paper in the middle. But you can do however you feel, whatever pattern, paper, or cardstock you choose. All right, so I'm going to put these together, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, on this piece right here, you'll see there's a little triangle in the corner. If you purchase the files through the Silhouette Design Store, you will notice that they're dashed. If you purchase them through Etsy or elsewhere, you have the option of using the solid score or the dashed score. I like to use the dashed lines for movable things to really make sure that you can break down those fibers so that you can get it moving easily. You can use a bone folder or just use your fingernails. It doesn't matter because these are just straight lines, so it should be easy to get that piece that way you want it. Then we're going to move on to these pieces here. We have the two rectangles which form the main body, and we're going to do the same thing with the two folds here. Now the one in the front does have a little triangle. You're going to ignore that piece for just a moment. And we're going to do the same thing, go back and forth, get them nice and moving, okay? And then you're going to want it to make a Z there, okay? And then this one on the back, we're going to do the same thing, all right? Back and forth, back and forth. All right, now we have the opposite. So that's the format that you're going to want to get them back and forth there, okay? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and set this down and set this one down, and I'm going to put those panels on. Okay, let's go ahead and just put a little bit of glue, just enough to hold it down, right? And we're going to stick them right center there between those score lines. And we're going to do another one here on the front piece. Now, notice we're covering up that little triangle, and that's okay because we really just want to look at it from the back. And of course, they're crooked. Nope, there we go. That's why I like liquid glue. Gives you a little time to move it around. That would have been pretty on that side too. I'm using the Echo Park collection. this paper, and I really liked that collection last year because it had two really nice star patterns instead of just one. I made sure I nabbed that one. Okay, there we go. Now you're starting to see what we're going to have here. Okay? Okay, before we go any further, we're going to take this piece and flip it over. Now I used a heavy cardstock, so it's going to probably be a little hard to see on camera, but there is a little bit of a triangle there, right here. So this piece is going to come and stick up. So I'm going to glue it just like that, okay? I know you can't see it very well, but it is there and it will help you. All right, so I'm going to put the glue on the smallest piece so I don't have excess coming out the edges. And I am just going to attach it and hold it for just a sec. All right, it's going to be cute, and you can see already what's happening here. All right, now we're going to put this down like so, and I'm going to take and put some glue right along in here. And I am going to adhere there. I need one extra hand here for just a second. All right. Get it corner to corner. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing over here. It just kind of flops right over because we got those score lines nice and flexible. All right. I love the 4x6 size of this, which you know, would be also super cute to just put a photograph on the front. But we will have some more designs coming up soon. All right, so I'm going to show you what's going to happen. Ta-da! All right, let's put our flag on the front here. Right. I used the back of scrap paper for my flag. Worked just fine. All right. Get these edges up together. Okay, great. Hey, there you go. All right, well, be sure to watch in the Silhouette Design Store for some more surprise pop-ups, and have a very safe and happy 4th of July. Thanks so much. Bye.